What is game-based learning? Game-based learning is an active learning technique that uses games to improve student learning. The learning in this case comes from playing game, which promotes critical thinking and problem-solving skills. Game-based learning can be achieved through digital or non-digital games and simulations that allow students to experience the learning firsthand. Game-based learning is also a teaching method that uses the power of games to define and support learning outcomes. A game-based learning environment achieves this through educational games that have elements such as engagement, immediate rewards, and healthy competitions. Also, that while students play, they stay motivated to learn. The great thing about game-based learning is everyone can reap its benefits, from preschool all the way up to post-secondary education and beyond. Some educators and researchers still argue that game-based learning can be detrimental to educational experience. However, studies continue to show that games can positively impact things to students. Here are some benefits of game-based learning. It encourages critical thinking. Research has shown that game-based learning can improve students' critical thinking skills, including the development of independent belief prior to engaging in collaborative discourse and providing opportunities for guided reflection. It helps problem solving. Game-based learning can help students solve problems by fostering skills like understanding causation, logic, and decision making. They can use it in life outside of school. It can also increase student engagement and motivation. A 2019 research paper found when teachers incorporated digital game-based learning, elements such as feedback, choice, and collaboration into their instructional design, students can become more engaged and motivated to learn. Also, games and game-based learning are powerful methods for encouraging creativity, especially when students are involved in the game's development. When designing a game, teachers can leave vacant spaces for their pupils to fill in with their own solutions. It is also simple to see why a game is excellent for team and group projects. Everybody loses or wins whenever they play a game together. But unity is strength. It allows students to learn to cooperate, communicate, and initiate actions in a team. It teaches to be an effective team player and a good leader. Some of the most common game-based learning examples include flashcard type games. Flashcards smoothly merge the visual and auditory components of learning, making them suitable for all types of pupils prior to fully understanding something. Visual learners must see it in front of them. Quiz games. These are game-style time quiz in which pupils seek to appropriately respond to inquiries regarding one or more subjects. Puzzle games. A game that emphasizes puzzle solving through one's use of things such as logic, word completion, sequence solving, as well as spatial and pattern recognition. Simulation games. A game designed to closely simulate real-world activities. The Sims, which launched in 2000, is one of the most popular series of life simulation games that involves creating and exploring virtual worlds. Strategy games. These are games where the results are heavily influenced by players' free, often autonomous decision-making abilities.